the verb to be negative form. Our first example, as you can see, is an affirmative sentence. I am a police officer. Okay? Then, to create a negative sentence, we just add not. Okay? So, it becomes a negative. I am not a police officer. Okay? Then we have that we use contractions, but this time we cannot contract am and not, but we can make a contraction for I and am. Okay, so it's something like this: I'm not a police officer. Okay, in Spanish it's exactly the same. Yo no soy un oficial de policía. Example number 2: you are a priest. You are a priest. How to make it negative? You are not a priest. Okay? With a contraction, we would have you aren't a priest. You aren't a priest. Example number 3. We are friends. How to make it negative? Adding not. And in Spanish too, we are not friends. Using contraction, we aren't friends. Okay? Next example. They are classmates. This is the affirmative. They are classmates. Negative. They are not classmates. And with contractions, with the contraction, I mean they aren't classmates. Okay? Next example. He is a student. Negative. He is not a student. In Spanish, él no es un estudiante. Next example. Well, with the contraction, sorry, he isn't a student. Let's go on with the next example. She is a nurse. Negative. She is not a nurse. In Spanish, ella no es una enfermera. With contraction, she isn't a nurse. And the last example. It is a speaker. Eso es una bocina. Internegative. It is not a speaker. In Spanish, eso no es una bocina. And negative with contraction, it isn't a speaker. Okay? Well, my dear friends, this is all for this verb to be negative form. This is all what I can teach you this time about the verb to be negative form. Please, if you want to watch next video, click where the arrow points and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.